Hello everyone. In previous lecture we have talked about halogen derivatives and how these are named according to the IUPAC system. Let us talk about the different preparation methods of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides can be prepared from first one from alcohol, second hydrocarbons, these are saturated and unsaturated, that means from alkanes and alkenes. Third one method, that is halogen exchange method. Fourth one, that is from benzene through the electrophilic substitution reaction. And fifth one method, that is from aryl diazonium salts. The reaction is called as Sandmeyer's reaction. Preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. The most widely used method of preparation of alkyl halide is replacement of hydroxyl group of an alcohol by a halogen atom. The hydroxyl group may be replaced by halogen atom using halogen acid or phosphorus halide or thionyl chloride. First one, by using halogen acid. Hydrogen chloride is used with the zinc chloride for primary and secondary alcohols. Thus, these alcohols in presence of these solution of concentrated HCl and ZnCl2, that is called as Lucas reagent. Alcohols in presence of this Lucas reagent form alkyl halide. For example, C2H5OH plus HCl, primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol, in presence of ZnCl2 gives C2H5Cl plus H2O. That means ethyl chloride. Ethyl alcohol gives ethyl chloride. Second one, that is isopropyl alcohol, in presence of Lucas reagent gives isopropyl chloride. Tertiary alcohol don't need ZnCl2 to react with HCl. They readily react with concentrated hydrochloric acid in absence of zinc chloride, and thus they gives rise to the alkyl halide. For example, tertiary butyl alcohol on treatment with HCl gives tertiary butyl chloride. Secondly, alkyl halides, these can be prepared by using phosphorus halide, PX3 or PX5. PX3, these are called as phosphorus trihalide. For example, PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. PX5, phosphorus pentahalide. For example, PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. An alkyl halide may be prepared by action of phosphorus halide on alcohol, ROH plus PX3, giving rise to RX plus H3PO3 as a side product, phosphorus acid. For example, when ethyl alcohol is refluxed with PCl3, ethyl chloride is formed. Thrice C2H5OH plus PCl3, on heating it gives thrice C2H5Cl plus H3PO3. When alcohol is refluxed with PX5 gives alkyl halide. For example, ROH plus PX5, it gives alkyl halide RX plus side product POCl3 and HCl. POCl3, that is a phosphoryl chloride. For example, C2H5OH plus PCl3 gives rise to ethyl chloride plus POCl3 plus HCl. The third one method, alkyl halides, this can be prepared from alcohol by using thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride SOCl2. Alcohols when refluxed with thionyl chloride SOCl2, alkyl halide is formed. For example, ROH plus SOCl2 gives rise to RCl plus SO2 gas plus HCl gas. Example, C2H5OH ethyl alcohol plus SOCl2 gives rise to C2H5Cl plus SO2 gas plus HCl gas. Preparation of alkyl halide from hydrocarbon. From saturated hydrocarbon alkanes by halogenation. Reaction of alkane with halogen forming halogen derivatives is called as halogenation. For example, CH4 plus Cl2 in presence of sunlight gives rise to CH3Cl plus HCl. This method is not suitable for preparation of alkyl halide as the mixture of mono and polyhalogen compounds is formed. Alkyl halides can be prepared from unsaturated hydrocarbon alkenes on addition of hydrogen halide HX. Addition of HCl, HBr, HI converts alkene into corresponding alkyl halides. For example, CH2 double bond CH2, that is a symmetrical alkene, plus HBr gives rise to CH3CH2Br, ethyl bromide. Addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene gives two isomeric products. For example, propene, that is a unsymmetrical alkene, CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 plus HBr gives two types of isomeric product, one bromopropane and 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane is a major product and this reaction is taking place according to the Markovnikov's rule. Now what is the Markovnikov's rule? When an unsymmetrical reagent is added to unsymmetrical alkene, negative part of the reagent gets attached to the carbon atom which carries a less number of hydrogen atom. Same reaction if it is carried out in presence of peroxide, then the results obtained are exactly opposite to the Markovnikov's rule. That means negative part of reagent gets attached to the carbon atom of the double bond which carries more number of hydrogen atom. It is called as peroxide effect or the anti-Markovnikov's. Next preparation method for alkyl halide, that is by halogen exchange. Alkyl iodides are prepared by treating alkyl chloride or bromide with sodium chloride in methanol or the acetone solution. The sodium bromide or the sodium chloride precipitates from the solution and can be separated by the filtration. For example, RCl plus NaI in presence of acetone gives Ri plus precipitate of NaCl. The reaction is known as Finkelstein reaction. Alkyl fluorides are prepared by heating alkyl chloride or the bromides with metal fluorides such as AgF. For example, RCl plus AgF giving rise to Rf plus precipitate of AgCl. The reaction is known as Schwarz reaction. Aryl halides may be prepared by electrophilic substitution reaction from benzene and its derivatives. Aryl chlorides and bromide can be prepared by direct halogenation of benzene and its derivatives through electrophilic substitution. It is carried out in dark at ordinary temperature in presence of catalysts like Fe or FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3. For example, when toluene is treated with Br2 in presence of Fe, a mixture of ortho and para-bromotoluene is obtained. For example, see the reaction given below. Ortho-bromotoluene and para-bromotoluene obtained from toluene. Fluorocompounds are not prepared by this method. Aryl halides, these are prepared by replacement of nitrogen of diazonium salt and the reaction is called as Sandmeyer's reaction. For example, ArN2X in presence of CuCl and HCl giving rise to ArCl plus N2. ArN2X in presence of CuBr and HBr giving rise to ArBr and N2. Physical properties of alkyl halides. First one, nature of intermolecular forces. In alkyl halides, halogen atom is more electronegative than the carbon atom and the CX bond is polar. Carbon atom that carries a halogen develops a partial positive charge while the halogen carries a partial negative charge. Thus, carbon halogen bond in alkyl halide is a polar covalent bond and therefore alkyl halides are moderately polar compounds. Size of the halogen atom increases with fluorine to iodine, hence the CX bond length increases, the CX bond strength decreases with an increase in size of halogen. Second one property, that is the boiling point. Boiling point of alkyl halides are considerably higher than those of corresponding alkanes due to the higher polarity and higher molecular mass. The boiling point increases with increasing atomic mass of halogen. For isomeric alkyl halide, boiling point decreases with increased branching. For example, N-bromobutane having a boiling point 375, secondary bromo. Third property, solubility. Though alkyl halides are moderately polar, they are insoluble in water. Alkyl halides are soluble in non-polar organic solvent. Aryl halides are also insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents.